Hey YouTubers, diecast collectors, it's the J-Man 63. Today I got a small unboxing. I don't have my multi-tool, so I've got this 30 putty knife. This should do the trick. So I got some stuff from Diecast Models Wholesale, of course, scratched out the obligatory addresses. I'm actually about to go to a show tonight, concert, so I'm going to make this quick, brief, before I have to get going, get ready. So without further ado, we're gonna unbox this guy first, and we'll unbox the other guy second. Alright, so evidently it works. Okay. Nice. Alright, so there's that one. So I ordered some green light. I'm looking forward to some new releases, and we finally got some new arrivals, and I'm very happy about that. Included the catalog, but that's got personal stuff on it, so I'm going to show that. And we got packing popcorn. It's Christmas every day over here, evidently. In fact, I'm surprised this is the first thing I actually happened to unbox here. We have the racing hitch and tow. It's actually a cool, really cool set. Not sure if this is actually the green machine version. I'm gonna have to look at that closely. This actually looks like it's got green wheels. So yeah, I think this is the green machine variant, maybe. Correct me if I'm wrong on the comments. This may actually physically be the literal green machine. That's kind of cool. That's the first thing I'd probably pull out here. I'll have to research it. Because I could swear most of these trailers come with chrome rims. There's the Dana Chevrolet Southgate car, I believe. This is the series of racing hitch and tow I've looked forward to seeing the most out of all of them. I love this series. It's finally here, and it's a new arrival. I'm very glad. And again, you have the Optima Streetcar Challenge. Just very cool. Super excited to get these guys. And then the next one here. Do we pull out another green machine? I doubt it. This is the SSCA Mustang. I don't know which road race this was in, but this is very cool. The Ford Nelson Bardal, or Nelson Ed Hall, Pete Peterson. Pretty cool. Love the new trailer for the racing hitch and tows. I'm not sure if this is a new trailer, but it looks very cool. Haven't really bought into hitch and tows in a while. So there's that box. I don't think there's anything at the bottom of that. We can unpackage the next box. I meant for the other bit to be first. I mistakenly unboxed the wrong thing. I didn't do them in the exact order I wanted to. But let's get on to this guy, because there's some special stuff in here as well. Upcoming haul video, hopefully this weekend, maybe next week. I don't know when, but upcoming haul video, just so y'all stay tuned. Whoops, that's got the address. I don't want to show that. Okay. So now let's unbox all the packing popcorn, mumbo jumbo. All right. Very cool. All right. Got some green light here, and pull out the most exciting one first. I finally got Cooter's wrecker. Very happy to have this guy, the Hazard County Garage. Want to get the 1/18th coming out of this. Going to be a very cool 1/18th. Hopefully that will be just as popular as the General Lee video. I know that's gotten a lot of love, so remember, just like the General Lee video, keep showing the channel some love. Like, every video should have that amount of views, so let's just keep it up, guys. Let's get those watch hours going. I said it once, I can't stress it enough. Alright, so got the Bill Jenkins Grumpy's Toy Nova. Been looking forward to getting one of these. Not a bad release. Very cool. Racing Champs. Finally got Charlie Babbitt's 1940 Buick Roadster from Rain Man. I definitely identify as a bit of a Rain Man of diecast, considering I have ASD, so I thought this was honestly really cool. And here's a little bit of a bit here you can read. So there you go. Interesting story. And I did not show the back of Cooter's wrecker. Let's see if there's anything. There's nothing on the back here. So here is the next car. I'm going to have to research that and see if that is indeed a green machine. That's pretty cool. You have the Jeep Cherokee from Gone in 60 Seconds. This is the car that goes through the wall when the wrecking ball hits it. Thought that was pretty cool. It pretty much says what a lot of these generic packages have on the back. And usually the Gone in 60 Seconds are all the same. So if you want to read that, you're welcome to. And then also, don't think this is gold wheels. This is not a green machine. This is the Dixie Jeep based off of Daisy Duke's Jeep. Very, very cool. Surprised they're able to put Dixie on their stuff, but yet the Rebel flag is considered bad. I don't know why. I guess it's just a symbol. Beverly Hills Cop. Thought this was pretty cool. Axel Foley's Nova, and there's nothing on the back here. And that, my friends, I believe is everything, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, no more in the popcorn. Alright, guys, that is everything. That was my quick haul video for you. My hair, I gotta reapply some stuff. So, that was my quick haul video. I have been all over the place this week. I have got a busy next week. So, yeah, a lot of stuff going on for sure. So, y'all have a good one. Stay safe out there. Keep it under 100. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Remember to check out the rest of the channel. And remember, if it has to do with diecast, it has to be the J-Man 6'3". Guys, let's get those watch hours going. We really need them, so... All right, have a good one. Bye.